Well, in this particular question, we have a neutral or faintly alkaline solution of 8 moles of permanganate anion. Now here we have 8 moles of permanganate anion, which is oxidized with thiosulfate anion. Now, if it is oxidized with thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus, now what will be the result? Now, MnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Now, it is a very strong oxidizing agent. Now, when S2O3, the thiosulfate, comes in contact with this strong oxidizing agent, it gets oxidized down to SO4 2 minus. And this MnO4 minus gets reduced to MnO2. So here, let us see how this S2O3 gets oxidized. So let us consider oxidation number of S Bx. So X into 2 plus minus 2 into 3 is all equal to minus 2. From here we get X is equal to 2. Now the oxidation number of S is equal to 2. Now this S2O3 is oxidized to SO4. So here we undergo oxidation. So now let us see on RHS the oxidation number of SBX. Now we have assumed that. So X into 1 plus minus 2 into 4 all equal to minus 2, that's the charge. So X minus 8 is equal to minus 2, so X is equal to 6. Now you can easily see that the oxidation number of S in RHS right hand side is equal to 6, whereas in left hand side the oxidation number of S was 2. So we can clearly see that this sulfur got oxidized down to 6. So this SO4 is the end result, the end product. Now the magnitude of X, now this is a product that contains S. Now we need to balance this redox reaction. In order to balance this redox reaction, we have 3 here, and we have to place H2O on LHS, and on the right hand side we have to place OH minus, that is 2. If required, we need to balance. And here we have 8 MnO2 and here we have 6, and now we have a complete balanced reaction. Now this sulfur has, this SO4 2 minus has a mole of 6. Now that is what we were actually finding out. So the end result is 6. So I'll just summarize this particular concept. This MnO4 permanganate gets reduced down to MnO2, and this S2O3 gets reduced, gets oxidized down to SO4 2 minus, and the mole of SO4 is 6. Thank you very much.